Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish and Flora, and if you're new here, please subscribe and please click that notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to do another unboxing. So the unboxing for today is this. Let's see what's inside here. Open. Oh, Sandisk. Wow, I got some more memory card. This is memory card, yeah?
Yeah.
Wow, so it's 128 GB.
Should be 3. Is it 3?
Oh yeah, it's 3. Wow, I got 3. Amazing.
It's on the Amazon Day. Amazon Prime. Sales
Amazon
Day.
Prime. So is it cheaper? So if when you
Yeah.
buy 3, is it cheaper?
No, but
Oh,
I think they were under £20 each.
really?
Just under, something like that.
Although it's just £10 each.
No, 20. Normally they're about 25.
Oh wow! So this is a Sandisk Extreme. So
Yeah, but
wow, I
not
get some
Extreme Ultra.
more.
Extreme Ultra is a slightly faster one.
Yeah, they are
But
all.
they were more expensive.
They are extreme, not ultra.
Mm.
Yeah, just extreme.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, I got some more. I use a lot of this. I don't know why.
Because you don't delete, you just keep the
Yeah,
ones you record on.
I keep all the memory card because it's so useful when not deleting it, because deleting it is gone, is it? So I wanted to have to be in
If
there.
you transfer it to
Yeah.
something else, but then you never know. Just to keep the original.
Yeah. Okay, so this is the first unboxing. So this is the first oh yeah, so 3 of this. Okay, so and another one, guys. One more to unbox.
Don't tear that one. Try and open it without tearing, because if it doesn't work, we'll have to send it back.
Oh,
Just peel the
really?
label a
Okay.
bit.
So how could I do that?
Yeah, peel that a bit, and then try and run your finger under where the flap is.
Under the flap. Oh, alright, okay. Wow.
Because I'm not sure whether that will work or not.
So what's this? Pills?
Dongle.
ZTE. What's that?
Dongle.
Dongle. What's dongle? Let's see.
It's
Dongle.
like a USB thing you plug into tablets, laptops, computers when you got no internet signal.
Oh, so this is, you get signal for this.
Well, I'm hoping. You need to pay for another SIM card from a mobile provider.
Oh, really? SIM card.
Yeah.
So you have to buy SIM card.
Yeah, to put in there, and then you put that into the. You can pull the.
So this is the one. This.
Yeah,
Pull
put
it.
that up, and you get the USB there.
Oh.
So you just plug that in,
And then?
and you're supposed to get mobile signal, which you use the.
So you don't need to
computer.
put something in there.
No. But
So just plug this in
Yeah,
the computer, in the laptop,
yeah,
and then you get signal.
hopefully.
Oh, and what is this?
Antennas should be too.
So where do you put this antenna?
There's little rubber things on there. You pull out the rubber things and then push those in.
This.
Yeah, no, on the thing. Have a look on the sides.
This.
Yeah. You open those and then push the antennas in.
Oh. Let's see. Oh, so you have to open that flap. So you have to put 2 of these
Yeah.
like that.
Push them in. They are me.
And then put this in the thing. Like that. And then put this in the computer.
Yeah.
So
With the laptop.
so that will get signal.
Yeah.
Yeah, because at the moment we don't have signal.
From whichever mobile. What do they call that? Mobile card, SIM card you put in there. But I don't know if it will work.
So we have to
Right.
try it first.
Yeah.
And then so we have to try it first, guys, and see if it works, and then we'll tell you, we'll let you know.
Yes.
Oh my god, so it's good there's this thing like this, so it's very useful.
If it works.
Yeah, so this is 4G mobile.
Yeah.
4G.
Can take up to 4G.
So you have to read this instruction. You have to read it, darling.
Yes.
Yeah, read it, not me.
Reading is one thing, understanding it is another.
If you don't understand something here, then ask me. Alright, okay guys, so this is the unboxing for today. This Sandisk and what's this? What do you call
Internet
this?
dongle.
Internet dongle.
That's when you don't have any internet signal.
Yeah, it's funny.
Try that
It's
and
funny name,
hope and pray it
dongle.
works.
Yeah. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Thank you. Ta-ra! Love, love, love.